Hey tech enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the Anker PowerCore 20000mAh, the ultimate portable charger that keeps your devices powered all day, every day. Imagine charging your iPhone 6 over 6 times, or fully juicing up an iPad mini twice. That's the incredible 20000mAh capacity this power bank offers, perfect for long trips or busy days. But it's not just about capacity, it's about smart charging. Anker's exclusive Power IQ technology intelligently identifies your device to deliver the fastest possible charge, ensuring efficiency and safety. And with dual USB ports, you can charge 2 devices simultaneously. No more fighting over outlets. Power up your phone and tablet at the same time, hassle-free. What truly sets this Anker power bank apart is its premium build quality and Anker's legendary reliability, making it an investment you can trust for years to come. If you're ready to upgrade your mobile power game, check out the Anker PowerCore 20000mAh using the Amazon link in the description below. It's a fantastic deal for this essential electronics gadget. For anyone needing dependable, high-capacity portable power, this is easily the best portable charger on the market and a top contender for best electronics of 2025. Don't miss out.